First line. A goat is a domestic animal. Second line. It is a herbivore and eats grass, leaves, and plants. Third line. Goats are found in many parts of the world. Fourth line. They give us healthy and nutritious milk. Fifth line. Goat milk is easy to digest. Sixth line. Goats have 2 horns and 4 strong legs. Seventh line. They are active, intelligent, and friendly animals. Eighth line. Baby goats are called kids. Ninth line. Farmers keep goats for milk, meat, and wool in some breeds. 10th line. We should love and take good care of goats.